Ain't nothing wrong with dreaming. You just believe it. And if you fall, you know you gave your all. Gave your all. Gave your all.
Ain't nothing wrong with a little hope and imagination in the world of evil. We God's people, but the road through heaven like walking through the eye of a needle. And the path through hell is wide enough for me to 16 diesel. And every nigga on the street pack a weapon that's lethal. Only thing keep a man going is his life and vision. I say to live is to die if you don't have a mission. What's wrong with wishing that zoom that I can fly away to a place where my daughter can grow and look to better days? Nigga, I've been robbed for 14 years and still ain't seen no cheddar. Just too confused, hoping my boots will one day be more better. What should I do? Get some dope, we broke, come up and fall? Or take these rhymes, play that game like back and have it all? I try to relay this message to my niggas, but they don't hear me. Maybe after they see me pushing the North Star Caddy, then they'll feel me. They say I'm slipping and sleeping and say I'm better awake. But what the niggas call dreaming, I choose to call it fake.
Ain't nothing wrong with dreaming. You just believe it. And if you fall, you know you gave your all. Gave your all. Gave your all.
I wonder will I make it live and see in my dreams to finally have the chance in life to have the finest of things. I'm tired of living like I live cause I just wanna be happy. Tryna shake off all this stress but it just keep coming at me. When my rap it help me make it shake it just disappear. To be a multi-platinum artist that's my lifetime career. I'm tired of rolling doing nothing with lost love to my block. What was I thinking representing? I'm putting that to a stop. Why should I care about the niggas who just think of they self? It was my mama showing love, I put the clothes on my shelf. And with the peers that talking crazy telling me I won't make it. When they see the videos I wonder how they gon' take it. At the worst point of life when I was sad and depressed. With nothing else but just my dream, I depend on myself, you know.
They say I'm slipping and sleeping and say I better awake. But what the niggas call dreaming, I choose to call it faith.
Ain't nothing wrong with dreaming. You just believe it. And if you fall, you know you gave your all. Gave your all. Gave your all.
The ghetto taught me how to deal with the consequences I was given. It got me gang banging, drug dealing, and fast living. Reality's my religion, so fuck you and your criticism. Call it street knowledge, but I call it ghettoism. I get it when I hit him with what's real. So let me know if you feel me now. I got a little paper, so my neighbor wanna kill me now. These wicked ass streets got me twisted up like French braids. My nigga brother died at 18, trying to hustle for the cream. Now it seems nobody don't give a fuck about us. In jail cells they crowd us, and in the slums they house us. So can y'all tell me how this gon' work for us niggas? But us niggas don't know, cause us niggas the pro. I wish we had more unity in our community. I wish I couldn't be touched like diplomatic immunity. I wish my nephews wasn't scheming. I wish my brother wasn't fiending. I wish I knew life's meaning. I wish I wasn't dreaming. I'm dreaming.
Ain't nothing wrong